Who is that on your shoulder?
Run Racer.
Run Racer?
Think of an actual name.
Yeah, you might need a regular name for him.
Like Caiden?
Like Raymond.
Yeah, Raymond.
Let's name him Raymond.
No.
That was my uncle's name that had one. My daddy's Uncle Raymond. He had a parakeet like that.
Raymond sounds like a...
You put him in it.
trained him.
You trained him?
Mm-hmm.
What'd you train him to do?
Get on my shoulder.
Does he hang out right there?
Yeah.
What are your hands tightened up for?
Can't say this star. What's his real name?
What's his real name? What do you want to call him?
Sharky.
Sharky? Sharky the bird. Hey, Sharky.
Oh, he'll look.
You look at me?
He'll look at me. He's looking at you. Look. Hey, boy. We take him off for